Good morning, children. Let's begin our next topic, saving our resources. Nature is a beautiful gift of God to mankind, and natural resources are useful raw materials that we get from the earth, like air, water, forest, soil, and fuel. We need to conserve them to maintain the ecological balance in nature. Let us discuss about air. Life exists on earth because of the presence of air. It is an important component for all living beings. We need to reduce air pollution as it is harmful to us. It leads various health related problems like asthma, bronchitis, etc. We can reduce air pollution by getting pollution check of our vehicles on a regular basis. We can also use public transport and carpools. Using a hybrid car is another way to reduce air pollution. Hybrid vehicle is one which uses more than two distinct type of power. Next is water. Water that is safe for human consumption like drinking, cooking, etc. is called potable water. Due to climatic changes and pollution, potable water is becoming scarce. We need to save our water bodies like rivers, lakes, and ponds. Do not waste water in your household. Close the tap when you do not need water. Next is soil. Soil is also an important natural resource. It is composed of many different particles and nutrients which help the plants to grow. We should not throw plastics in the soil as it is non-biodegradable substance and harms the soil. Next is forest. Forests provide not only timber but also clean air. Man is wiping away the forest for construction projects. This is reducing the open green spaces. We need to protect our forest. Next is fuel. There are three major forms of fossil fuels: coal, oil, and natural gas. Fossil fuels are non-renewable in nature, means if these resources are depleted, they will never be available again. We can conserve the fuel by using fuel efficient technology. Last one is minerals. Mineral resources are limited and it takes millions of years in their formation. We should ensure that the consumption of minerals does not increase so much that they are hardly left for our future generations. We need to plant more trees to conserve our natural resources. Thank you.